Hi there! In this short tutorial we are going to learn how to remove the password from the Word file. Here's our protected Word file. So let's do it. Open your file, type the current password. If this tutorial is useful for you, like and subscribe us. Just go to the File menu. After that, press Protect Document. In the second section there is your current password. Just delete it and save the document. Let's test it. Voila, it's ready. We hope you like and share it with your friends. Comment below your opinion, whether this tutorial helped or not. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Ta-ta for now!